Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And on a Saturday, I'm bringing you a video. That must mean it's cards in the mail to me. I have cats here who want to assist me. I'm desperately trying to film this right before Oliver comes home from school on a Friday afternoon, right before you're seeing it. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing I want to show you is actually, they're not cards in the mail to me. They're actually some handmade wax melts and candles. Now, a gorgeous friend of mine, Lucy, was a chandler for many, many years. So a chandler is somebody who makes candles and wax melts and the likes. And she made these for many years. And as part of her job and then her own business, she evolved into marketing. And she now runs a business called Marketing for Creatives. And so she does marketing courses specifically for creative folk. And recently she posted up, she said, I found some of my old spare ones. Do you want any? I was like, yes, please send them to me. So I'm a bit of a fan of showing off the gorgeousness that people make, not just cards and papercraft. So beautiful wax melts. Look at that fairy garden. That's so me. And she shoved loads in this box for me. And those just go in a melt burner. So super talented. Thank you for all my little goodies and gifts, Lucy. All sorts of flavours like pomegranate and patchouli, fairy garden. These ones are sea breeze. Those are sea breeze. Everybody just wiped her out. They're like, Lucy, we need it all. We need it all. Just gorgeous fragrances. I wish this was smell-o-vision. And they're lovely. So thank you, Lucy, for those. And there was a card, but I've lost the card. Okay. The other thing I wanted to show you, because those have literally just arrived 5 minutes ago, was the gifts that I have sent out to all of my lovely customers who I wanted to say thank you to everybody for shopping with me. I had 6 spares left over. That's one for each of us. And I actually hadn't, usefully, I hadn't prepared a blog post for these. So I thought, you know what, let me bring it onto camera. So inside each of these, and I will snip one open and show you. So what I've got is I've got a square of 6x6 designer series paper. And inside each one are not one but 2 chocolate bars, a Twix and a fudge. And they are inside each one, just like that. I'll put that on, that'd be my one. And then on the front, I have got a, oh, focus on me. Focus on me. Doesn't want to focus on me. Oh, technology. It's the postage label punch. If I hold that my thumb over it, you can see the difference. Postage label punch. And then a little penguin from the beautiful, oh, hello, Berry. The beautiful penguin stamp set. So, and then stapled at the ends, and they just make a lovely little gift. So along with the treats that I gave everybody, which were note cards and envelopes this time around, and the new pastels, because I've not yet used them, and I'm hoping that the 100 plus that I've just put out in the post, everybody's going to inspire me. So I thought I would take this opportunity to show those that I sent out to you as well. And they're really cute. And like I said, I had 6 left over because I always make too many. I spend the whole month making them. I did a complete lane swerve at the last minute because I went, oh, the project I'd planned, it's not going to work. So literally I was making these last week. But yeah, I had 6 left over. Okay, what else can I show you? Some beautiful cards that I've had from members of my team who are cashing in vouchers. And so I've mentioned this before. I do loads and loads of recognition with my team. Loads of it. You know, as in I will send out 200 packets every single month with recognition in, and my team collect vouchers that I send out to them for sales, recruiting, leadership, for anniversaries, for titles, for bettering their own sales and what have you, and then they collect them up and I post them back to me and I cash them in and buy them whatever they want. So always awesome being on my team for many reasons. That's just one of them. And when they cash them in, they send me a beautiful card. So this one is from my lovely Trina on my team, and she said thank you because she does candles as well, so she sent me a little thank you card. And of course this is one of our kits, which I love. And then this one, this is gift vouchers as well. Look at that card, that is so pretty. I love that. You're so talented. Anybody who does fussy cutting, good on you. I haven't the patience. And this one, oh, I don't remember who this one was from. I don't remember now. But beautiful. Look at that detail. Just charming. And I have a few more here. at that with the chick. It's a blue chick with pink hair. Hey chick, have a happy day. Absolutely. I love that. That's Doreen who sent me that. Isn't that just the most adorable? A blue chick with pink hair. It makes me giggle. And then gorgeous Natalie Arnold on my team. Crafty Honeypot, she sent me this when she was cashing in vouchers. Massive pile of vouchers. Huge. She earned lots of celebration goodies. I love that. And then this one is Karen Egan on my team as well. Just love that. I love that. I'm pretty sure she has stamped first and then she's run it through the embossing folder. How clever. So those are cute. And then my last to show you is our box full of goodies. So these came in the post from a lovely lady called Jan who put these in the post to me. And I have been such a good girl. Oh, there goes my phone. That, yes, that was all of it. That was an alarm reminder to myself to film this video. Back to school is just, yeah, a nightmare. So look at this. How lovely. You are amazing. And then, and I've peeped, but in here I'm going to have to snip. I'm going to snip at the back. Kinder chocolate bars for my children and my husband because there are 5. I love that. And then in this one, for all you do, I had a peep at this one as well. This one's for me. Little chocolates. I love it with just the wrap of paper. Just simple wrapping. And as you can, I mean, look at it all. It's so pretty. It really is. And in this one, and I haven't looked in this one, I don't know what's in here. Oh, yum. Do I have to share this, Jan? I hope I don't. I hope it's just for me. Look at that. Oh, chocolate bars and a little Toblerone. Yum. Bang goes my diet. Bang goes the diet I wasn't on anyway. I keep saying... You know, here's the thing. Lockdown weight, it's a thing. Did you know lockdown hair is a thing as well? My hair is so long now. Those. And then look at this. How pretty is that? I don't know if I tip it that way. And this is a little bottle of something yummy. I'm just trying to get the glue dot off the bottom to slide it out because I don't want to trash the bottle. A little bottle of wild berry gin. Thank you very much. But doesn't that just look beautiful all together? All the matching papers and everything. Just love it. What a treat. And there's the tag from that one. What a lovely, lovely, lovely gift to receive. So little twists of paper, some stamping, matching ribbon. How spoilt am I? Very spoilt. So... big thank you to Jan, Lucy, Karen, Natalie and all of the girls who've put beautiful things in the post. My house is going to smell divine with my little fairy garden. It says do not eat. Of course it doesn't. Oh, that's like sugar and citrus. That's just a fairy garden. And then, of course, I had to sneak in my little showcase of my bits. So... everybody, thank you ever so much. Seriously, the power of something amazing arriving in the post. You're just awesome. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.